Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Flexibility, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a fundamental technique that is going to massively improve your Fibonacci retracement level ability. And without further ado, let's do this. The first thing that you need to have on your charts is this indicator called high-low day box. All you need to do is go into the indicator section and type high-low day box. Okay, right here. Once you click on it, you will have this indicator. What it does is that it highlights the high and the low of each day. Second thing that you're going to need is you go into this section over here, click on Fibonacci retracement. So this technique is pretty much a no-brainer. Okay, all you need is to click on the Fibonacci retracement tool over here and drag it from the bottom to the top or from the top to bottom. Okay, so whenever the price is trending and the price closed above the 61.8% level, then on the next day we are anticipating the price to actually continue to go upwards. Okay, very simple. And if the price is trending downwards and it closed below the 61.8%, then we are going to anticipate the price in the next day to go short. Now, there are days where the retracements are deeper than the 61.8%. I understand that, but generally speaking, okay, if you have an upwards trend, the price generally is going to close. But generally, if you have an upwards trend, price is going to close above the 61.8% and in a bearish trend below. So let's just see how that works in practice. Okay, so here we have a day low, we drag it to the day high, just like this. And what is happening here? On the next day we are buying. Simple. Okay, the next day afterwards we drag it from the bottom of the day to the top, drag it just like that. Okay, we are buying in this day. Now obviously the price goes up and down in zigzags, and there could be a point where you enter like this and the price then comes down for a reverse. That's exactly what happened around here, but all I'm showing you is the general market direction. Okay, the next day we drag it from the bottom to the top above 61.8%. we buy the price, we buy around this section. Okay, simple. So the next day, let's continue from the bottom to the top, and as you can see, price is literally rejecting the 61.8% level, and that's the move to the upside. Okay, now the next day we drag the fib from the bottom of the day to the top, just like that, include the swing. What are we doing here? We are buying on this day. The next day, what is happening? The price is closing above 61.8, and guess what? Right here would be a situation where we'll be looking to buy the price. But guess what? The trends in Forex do not last forever. As price goes up, eventually, even if you get a signal, it's going to reverse and continue to go down. Okay, so this is a trend trading system. Okay, when the market is ranging, fib is not really much of a help for you. When the market is going sideways, Fibonacci retracement tool is not really there to help you, but it's there to help you in situations where the market is trending upwards or trending downwards. That's basics. So now that in this situation, now there are steps to take and there are checks to take. So after this trade didn't go too well, what do? The price ended up going to the downside, bearish. Now price closed below 61.8%, and what are we doing the next day? We are selling. Okay, then the next day what happens? We get a deep retracement that goes even beyond 61.8%, but we need to understand that we have a 1H supply zone over here. That 1H supply zone was rejected and then pushed the price to the downside, and we continue going. The next day we fib this day like that. Guess what? The next day we fib the day from the top to the bottom using the high-low day box. What happens? The price closed above 61.8%, which means that we are looking forward to be buying on this day. What happens? We buy on this day, price went up very impulsively. Next day, you need to see where the day closes. Price closed below 61.8%. On this day, we are selling, and so on and so forth. So how do I know whether I need to drag the box from the top or the bottom? That's quite simple. If you're seeing that the price is going down like this, then you need to go back to where the price started from. That's the origin. They came from there. Since that is the origin, this means that we need to drag the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of the day to the bottom of the day. Okay, but that's how to know. And the next day, we're going to be selling around this section, and all this is our take profit. Now the same thing goes in reverse. How do we know whether we need to be buying? If the price is going upwards like this, creating higher highs and higher lows, then all we need to do is drag the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the day to the top of the day, just like that. And then according to our strategy, we wait for a fantastic engulfing candle or signal to buy the price from this section upwards. So that was a quick video explaining to you how to understand the market direction. Okay, so yes, there are things like the EMA. We also have trends, trend lines, higher highs, higher lows. But another tool that is very good is to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this video. If you are looking for a mentor, then look no further and click that link in the description section below. Let's do this. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, watch all the other videos, and you're going to be massively blessed. I'll see you next time. Take care.